in this episode of Flippin' Dirty Bird. Will Jeff and Duck come up short when they try to turn this 1979 GMC long bed into something cool? We're gonna buy it, fix it up, and then put it up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. It's all coming up right now on Flippin' Dirty Bird.
Hey, I got an idea. Why don't we start a dating site where you post your car, and if the person likes the car, they swipe left or right, and that's how you figure out your match.
Oh, that's good.
So what's the plan? Where are we going today?
I found a square body GMC four-wheel drive. It sounds like it's got our name all over it.
Yeah, nice. What's the price?
He's asking $8,000. I've been watching it for a month.
Since it's been on there a while, we should be able to work him down a little bit.
Absolutely, that was my thought. So this thing's been sitting on the internet for about a month now, and that can mean like one of two things. One, they're not really being honest about the description and it's not real nice, or this could be a great time to negotiate. I don't know if you've ever watched The Fall Guy with Lee Majors. That was a big hit show.
Yeah, I saw that. That was a hit.
Well, that was the truck that he had.
4-speed or automatic?
It's an automatic.
Huh. And it runs right now, runs and drives.
He says it's a good running, driving truck.
Wow, I'm excited to see it. I can't wait.
Yeah.
There it is.
Hi.
How's it going?
Good. You must be Rich?
I am.
Nice to meet you, Rich.
You Jeff?
Yeah, I am Jeff, and that's my partner, Duck.
Hey,
Duck.
nice to meet you.
No, this is it.
Wow, so the owner, he might have left out some of the details on this thing. The CK series trucks are the longest production run of any GMC vehicle. They're referred to as square bodies based on their shape. When the TV show Fall Guy came out, these things were really desirable. Have you had this a while?
Well, it belonged to my brother.
Oh, was this in a police chase or something? Looks like he got shot at.
Hey, I'm not really at liberty to say, Holmes.
Mind if we look at the motor?
Absolutely, take a look. We put a crate motor in it about 3 years ago.
It looks like you leak a little antifreeze and oil leaks, huh?
It probably is.
It's a 5.7, 350?
Yes.
How's it run?
Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all.
The fact that this truck is a long bed, it doesn't have as much desirability as a short bed. It's got a little bit of Bondo, huh?
Yeah, a little bit.
Plus it's got some really bad body work on this thing that we got to deal with. Does a four-wheel drive work on it?
Oh yeah, everything works.
And it's always been in Arizona as far as you know?
As far as I know, it has been.
But it is a four-wheel drive and it's got a great 4-inch spring lift. Looks pretty clean in here. I think there's profit in this thing. Will we be able to have a moment to speak about it?
Absolutely.
Okay, thank you.
Bet.
Offer him something?
Well, there's a lot of work to do, but I think if we get in at $3,500, it'll be really, really hard not to make a good profit on this truck. Fully restored, I think this truck can bring around 13 grand, but it's gonna take at least $7,000 worth of work. We need to buy this thing for as close to $4,000 as we can to turn a profit. Duck and I were discussing it. We'd really like to have the truck.
Okay.
If you could work with us a little bit on it, you know, it's gonna need paint and it's gonna need a round of tires. We'd like to bring it back to like it was new. You know, if we could work something out, we're buyers on it.
Well, where are you guys at?
I was thinking around 2,500 bucks.
2,500?
Yes, sir. He needs a lot of work.
Yeah, but not that much. I mean, come on, I'm 4,500.
Oh no, we can't do 45, huh, Jeff?
No,
too
I
far off.
couldn't.
Can we do 3?
No, 3's.
You know, we're here right now. We're not tire kickers.
You got cash?
We do have cash. He's got cash.
I'll go down to 35. That's the bottom dollar on it. Yep.
Okay.
Deal.
Thank you so much,
You're
Rich.
welcome.
Thank
Thanks,
you.
Rich.
You betcha. Thank you.
We're limping this old bucket back to the shop, and man, we're barely keeping it on the road.
What the? Come on, dude.
The Fall Guy beauty right here, my friend.
You just bought this?
Yeah.
You're kidding, right?
Hey, in '79, right? I tried to buy one of these brand new. They were back ordered because of Lee Majors. This was the truck.
Look, dude.
Come on, dude.
Hey, I'll tell you what. I'm gonna show you what
We're
I
in
think
this
of
truck so right, you're gonna love it.
What's up now?
Oh man.
So
Holy.
first of all, the headlight's missing. There's Bondo on the side. The tires are all cracked. They're all cracked, dude. You can surf down the side
Holy.
of this thing.
Oh.
I'm just saying, dude. I mean, if you guys think we can make money on it, dude, I'm just messing around.
We're in it right. $3,500 we gave for it. We are in it so right.
That was pretty fun. I had you scared, didn't I? For the love of God, let's see if Von Butch can do something, anything with a square body.
You know, I'm a big believer that you can make almost anything look good. This is a challenge, though.
You gotta save me here on this truck.
It's a brown truck.
I mean, it falls on you.
He said that a little inappropriately.
The brown's a little muddy looking. Is there any way we could spice it up or bring, you know what I mean, something?
Oh, yeah.
Just
Why don't we maybe try doing a white panel? You know, I had this gold pinstripe around it, but I'm thinking maybe let's go something like an orange or a red.
yeah, just start popping it. Whoa,
Yeah.
huh? That looks. What do you think about
I
that?
think that wakes it right up.
What do you think? You know, these white wheels are just not
Anything
gonna
but
cut it,
those.
man. Let's do something a little bit that matches a truck from the day, like
I'll
things
tell
back
you what,
in the
our
day.
goers will be bitching.
I mean, right
Wow.
there.
Holy cow.
That's better right there,
That
right?
changed
That
a little
is.
bit. And I don't know about you guys, but this big, bulky front bumper, maybe something's got a little bit more of a off-road look to it.
Oh,
That's
that is
better. We're on the right. We're on the right road
Received it.
here.
Okay. I think this will be a winner here at the end of the day.
Good luck with this one, Jeff.
My name is Ducky Zell. I'm born and raised right here in downtown beautiful Buckeye, Arizona. I've been here since 1978. I was born in 1978. I've never lived anywhere else. Yeah, every day, you know, I mean, these guys sometimes too serious, but I'm always in the mood to prank somebody and have a little fun, keep the moment lit up, you know.
Hey, what are you guys up to? Not a lot, you. I knew it. I knew it was coming from the ceiling. Remember I go, something's gonna come from the ceiling?
You know, whatever comes to my mind, I just hit them with it. We can't be duds around here. And if you like it, good. If not, I'm sorry for you. I've been thinking about a little bit of marketing for Dirty Bird Concepts. I'm trying to help John out. Business is gonna start booming this year. Da, 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 da. Dirty Bird Concepts, mopeds and scooters. Get one. All kinds of people ride these scooters. Girls in college, kids, old people, German, French. I mean, all walks of life. They love these scooters. People should be coming from all over to buy one of these scooters. Scoot, scoot, scoot in my new scooter. Can't wait. Oh crap, is this there's the boss man there. I think he's gonna be so excited to see. Here's the man himself. They're coming in hot.
What? What the? Come on, dude. Dirty Bird mopeds. Oh,
Woo-hoo-hoo!
unbelievable, buddy. I got something coming for Duck here. Yeah.
Now we're selling scooters and mopeds.
Man, get that down before somebody sees it.
What are you talking about? That looks great. We've already got phone calls.
Were you in on this?
No. What is this?
I don't know, dude.
Dirty Bird moped.
No mopeds.
Business is gonna double.
Yeah, business is gonna double my
The John Shope custom moped.
Nah. For 1/2 of a second, I thought, and then I thought, no, take it down. Hey, you knew this was coming. Get back to work. Coming up next on Flippin' Dirty Bird, we pull off a great prank on Duck, plus a major transformation on this 1979 GMC square body. And at the end of this episode, it'll be up for sale on Facebook Marketplace. So we got a guy here in Phoenix who's the king of dealing with these old Chevy and GMC trucks. We call him Square Body Jimmy. He and his team here at MPG, they're magicians doing body and paint work on these type of trucks. So we're gonna give them Von Butch's design to get going while we chase down the other parts. The guys were over at Desert Valley Auto Parts. Jason told them about a new batch of goodies, some cool square body bumpers and light racks. Duck picked up some of the stuff. We're gonna see what we can do with it. Trying to turn this old truck into a real fall guy project. Square Body Jimmy, what's up, buddy? Thought we'd stop by and see if you're actually working on this
Jimmy.
tub.
What do you guys think?
Man, I
Okay.
can't believe how straight this thing is.
Yeah, it's a lot of work though.
Yeah, you could surf down it before.
Yeah, yeah, and the stripe, how you guys want it? Just down the body line, or
Would that be
do you
kind of
think?
traditional?
Yeah.
Or? Yeah.
Instead of a molding or anything, that'll look clean.
Yeah.
so? And the bumpers, we're gonna do them. We're gonna paint them white too, or
I think we should do
Or
those
including
white
chrome.
and What are we going to do about the mirrors?
Well, they're chrome, so I think it'll be nice if we paint them white too.
Yeah.
That way,
And what would you do the base then if you were doing the mirror white?
I'll paint it the color of the truck.
I think you're right. I think that'll look good. Nice contrast where it all goes together.
Hey man, nice work. I'm surprised this old turd's actually starting to impress me. And now back to my other full-time job at Dirty Bird Concepts. We're just about finished with Mark's bike, and today's been super exciting. The rest of the pieces for Mark's build are gonna show up.
We did a color match of like a cream to resemble paperish kind of tones.
You nailed it.
Yeah, and then once that's done, then Matt came in and did all the pencil art.
Just the pencil art took almost a month. It's a ton of work, but in the end, it's totally worth it. When we do one of these dirty tails, most of the bikes gets discarded. We put our swing arm on, shocks, cut the neck off, 26-inch wheel. I mean, everything on this bike has been touched. So what do you think? What's next? Gas tank, wheels? We had to pull out all the stops because some of the baddest bikes you've ever seen end up at this bar. The pressure is on. And I'm gonna make one hell of an entrance delivering this bike, believe that.
Just bought this Pontiac today for 500 bucks. Look at this car. This is a nice car. If I get hubcaps for it, new battery, clean it, take care of the clear coat, this thing's gotta bring 1,500 bucks.
So here's what we've got cooking. Duck's got what he thinks is a fixer-upper. A quick flip little car that he thinks he's gonna make a couple $100 bucks. Well, we got a surprise for Duck.
Yeah! Whoa!
Ready?
Whoa, 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 what the f***? Jeff, stop! No! No, Jeff, no! Jeff! Whoa! Jeff, what are you doing?
Big equipment, boys.
Put it back.
It's
Come
too
on,
late,
Jeff.
dude.
That ain't even funny, Jeff. I spent big money on this car.
Hey, buddy.
I could have made $1,000
That's
on
for
this
messing
car.
with us, Doc. 500 bucks. I'll get right with you. Put it on my account. He just couldn't help jumping in and help destroy this thing. Let's see you outdo that. All right. Hey, Jeff, I think he's gonna have to pay us. He's having more fun than we did. Hey, lift it up and drop it down. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, let me drive it now.
Hell, you guys, I don't know, but you still owe me $500 for it.
That was worth it. So now we're even. No more pranks, dude.
Come on, John. This was worse than a prank. This was cruel. This was mean.
I'm gonna give you the $500-600 bucks.
I was gonna make money on this car.
Or what? Now you got your money back.
John, I'm hungry. Let's go eat.
That's not cool.
So we're back at MPG, and Square Body Jimmy's really doing a great job. They crushed the two-tone paint and added a cool GMC orange border stripe. So I'm gonna take the seat and the door panels over to my buddy Danny at Bell Upholstery, and I'm gonna see what we can come up with. Danny, you got some truck material to show me?
Oh yeah, let's check it out, man. So I got the original book from '79. Has all the original fabrics for the Chevys.
Yep.
These ones right here are off of the Jimmys and the Blazers. Right. They're original to that style.
Right.
This is an old Chevette right here.
Maybe we can do something similar to this, but not exactly like this. Something.
Yeah, I think I have just what you're looking for. This is a 1973 GMC material. I think it's cool. It looks good.
Well, I think if you did this did the inserts with the black next to them, this could work too.
Yeah, it looked nice.
right.
And then the insert on the door panels also.
So we ended up going with the old camper-style plaid interior look. I don't want to tell those guys, but this thing's kind of starting to grow on me a little bit.
What's up?
Oh,
Ready for this?
G'day, dude. Are you kidding me? What's up?
I can tell by the excitement in Mark's face that he loves it. I think we hit a home run.
John, it's exceptional, man. The pencil art on it is phenomenal. I've always appreciated the fine detail with the pencil art after your Gold King, man.
Right. So
And this thing
Matt
is
from
incredible.
Hypnotic, dude, he knocked this out of the park. I mean, it looks like paper.
Oh my God, it
looks
does.
like paper.
So my favorite part of these builds is seeing the look on the customer's face when they show up to get their bike. And what a bonus to get to do it for my friend.
John, man, you crushed it, man. I appreciate this bike very much. It looks beautiful, man. Hey, show me how this thing airs up and stuff. Oh yeah, dude.
Going outside for you.
Oh yeah, I know what you're up to.
Up next on Flippin' Dirty Bird, we bought this 1979 GMC 4x4. We're fixing it up, and at the end of this episode, it'll be up for sale on Facebook Marketplace.
All right. I got to take my words back.
Square Body Jimmy made this truck straight as an arrow. He put this beautiful striping on and everything.
I was going to bring my surfboard out, dude.
Oh, it was wavy.
No, that thing is beautiful.
That bumper is straight up 70s Baja style.
Looks like Desert Valley Auto Parts.
Another treasure right there, huh?
Yeah, this looks good. It pops. This is how they did it back then. The same material.
Hey, let's get Jimmy and the crew down here.
I knew you were going to make it look good. Your arms must be tired from all that sand and all that blocking. Nathan, the MTX system sounds awesome.
Of course it does.
Ryan, Millennium Tires, you killed it again, buddy.
Those wheels are classic. I love them.
They fit the truck.
Yep.
Yeah, this thing's going to be a great driver.
Oh,
for
awesome
somebody.
driver.
To recap, we bought this 1979 GMC 4x4 for $3,500. We had to do a ton of body work, which put us way over budget, but it got a super cool two-tone paint job, a set of Baja bumpers, new front glass, and some trim pieces. With that, the wheels and tires, a little bit of mechanical work, as well as the new MTX sound system, we ended up spending $7,800 fixing up this truck. We're gonna list it for $14,500 and see if we can make just over $3,000 profit.
We love the Hideaway, bro. Thanks for having us, as always. And you right now can buy this truck on Facebook Marketplace.